Hi, hello, dear student. This is Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel Math Super Tips and Tricks. Today's video, I'll go ahead and show you how to solve the problems within few seconds. This is very helpful to you for your preparation for JEE Mains as well as HAMSET. Let's get started without delay. In this video, mainly I'm discussing about the limits indeterminate forms. Limits indeterminate forms are what you have to know. Limits indeterminate forms are 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, 0 into infinity, infinity minus infinity, infinity power 0, 0 power 0, 1 power infinity. Already in part 1 discussed about these four: 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, 0 into infinity, infinity minus infinity, part 1. In the part 2, in this video, I am discussing about the remaining 3. What are the remaining 3 here? Infinity power 0, 0 power 0 and 1 power infinity. Very easy tips and tricks we can apply to solve the indeterminate forms of these 3 by using the very simple tips and tricks. What are those we can look at here? First of all, 1. Limit f of x power g of x extends to a is in the form of infinity power 0 or 0 power infinity. Immediately you can change this as e power of limit g of x into log fx as extends to a. Simply you can change this as like this. When it is in the form of infinity power 0 and or 0 power 0. Now look at the second one. Limit f of x power g of x as extends to a is in the form of 1 power infinity. Then immediately can change this as e power of limit extends to a g of x of f of x minus 1. So very simple. These 3 indeterminate forms you can change like, first you have to recognize what is the type. According to that type you can change the formations. Then simplify the limit. We can get the solution within few seconds. That's it. Now, along with these important tips and tricks, we can use some more important forms. Those are useful very wherever maybe we need. Those are what we can look at once. First one, limit a1 x power of m plus a2 x power of m minus 1 plus so on plus am upon b1 x power n plus b2 x power of n plus n minus 1 plus so on plus bn as extends to infinity is there. This result should remembered as a1 by b1. A1 by b1 means a1 is quotient of x power m, b1 is quotient of x power n. That should be taken a1 by b1 when m equals to n. These mn are the degrees of the functions in numerator as well as the denominator. If degrees are equal, if m is equal to n, immediately you can take a1 by b1. If it is m is less than n, this should be equals to 0. When m is greater than n, this should be equals to plus or minus infinity, where this plus or minus sign depends on sign of this a1. If this a1 is a plus sign, we can take infinity plus infinity, minus sign we can take minus infinity. That is a plus or minus symbol, depends on a1 sign. Now we can look at another one. What is another one here? In this case of another one, limit x power n tends to infinity should be equals to 0 when the condition is what here? Mod x must be less than. In this case only it becomes 0. These are the very simple tips and tricks we can use in limits indeterminate forms part 2. How can you use these to solve the questions within few seconds? We can look at the questions along with the solutions now. Are you ready? Yes. Now enter into the questions with the solutions. Now come to the questions. You know what is question number 1 here? I written as 1. What is that? Limit 1 by 1 minus n square plus 2 by 1 minus n square plus and so on plus n by 1 minus n square and n tends to infinity, given as 4 options like this. We can pick up which is correct option. Now look at the solution now. What is solution here? First you can look at the question. Everywhere else denominator there is a 1 minus n square, that should be taken as LCM. Numerator becomes now 1 plus 2 plus upon plus so on plus n. This is 1 plus 2 plus n plus so on plus n, nothing but sum of n natural numbers. You know formula for sum of n natural numbers, that is n of n plus 1 by 2. Already here 1 minus n square is there as n tends to infinity as it is. Now by the simplification what happened here? N square plus n here and 2 of 1 minus n square becomes 2 minus 2n square. N square plus n by 2 minus 2n square and tends to infinity case. You know that clearly a degree of this is 2, this is also 2. Both degrees are equal. We can write its quotient like a1 by b1 already given to you. We can refer that one. a1 here 1, b1 is a minus 2, that is simply minus 1 by 2. It becomes a option number 3. That's it. Now we can think about the next question. What is the next question here? Simply limit 2 plus x whole power 40 or 4 plus x whole power 5 whole divided by 2 minus x whole power 45 as x tends to infinity is given as also. 4 options will go as usual. In the 4 options, which is correct one you can pick up. According to the solution you can pick up. You know simply what is the solution? By the expansion of this is what is highest power here? X power 40, here x power 5. Simply x power 40 plus 5, 45. Its quotient is 1. 1 into x power 45, rest of the terms no need to write. And what about denominator? Here also x power 45 with minus 1 whole power 45 is minus 1 into x power 45. Both the degrees are same, 45, 45. According to the same rule a1 by b1, we have to use 1 by minus 1 becomes minus 1. That is option number 1. That's it. Now we can come to this next question. Very simple question, a very, very important question. What that? Question number 3 we can look at. Is given the data is what? Let f from R to R be such that f1 is equals to 3, f dash is equals to 6. Then is asking the limit of f of 1 plus x divided by f of 1 overall power 1 by x as x tends to 0 is asking. Here also 4 options are given. Here no need to worry about this data. This data is given for definition of the given function. But what are these two values? You have to consider. F1 is equals to 3 value, f dash is equals to 1, f dash 1 is equals to 6 values. We can use at the end of the solution. How can you simplify this? Is first of all, you can look at this question. Limit f of 1 plus x. You know, x is 0 means what? 1 plus 0 is 1. F of 1 by f of 1 is 1. 1 by 0, 1 by 0 is infinity means it is in the form of 1 power infinity. 1 power infinity again you can read it as what? G of x, you know, e power of limit x tends to 0 is there. G of x plus what is there? 1 by x is there. And f of x plus what is there? F of 1 plus x by f of 1 with minus 1 you can take according to this important tip you can use here. Limit f of x power g of x stays 1 power infinity. Immediately you can change it as e power of limit x tends to a. Here power becomes as into g of x. In the base we can take the subtraction is 1. That only I did here. So after taking the LCM it becomes f of 1 plus x minus f of 1 by x of f of 1. Now x tends to 0. You know x is 0 means f of 1 here minus f of 1 is 0. X 0 means it becomes 0 by 0 form. This is. I discussed 0 by 0 form. In part 1 I discussed we can use a LH rule. What is LH rule here? We can apply the derivative of numerator by derivative of denominator. What is f derivative? F of 1 plus x derivative is f dash of 1 plus x. F of 1 is constant 0 and x derivative is 1, it becomes f of 1 only. Now by applying the limit 0, x is 0, it becomes f dash 1 by f of 1. What is given that f dash 1 value? 6, right? F of 1 value 3. E power of 6 by 3 means e square. That becomes a second option. That's very simple. But what is given data you can understand easily first of all. Now come to the fourth question. What is the fourth question here? It is given same application only, little bit change is there. It's given that JEE is 2019. How can you use this data? How can you solve this one? You can read out the question first of all. Limit f from R to R be a differentiable function satisfying the f dash 3 plus f dash 2 is equals to 0. Then asking the simplification of this is, in this given data we have to recognize this one you can use at the end of the solution. Now we can use, we'll see, look at the solution. What is the question here? Limit 1 plus f of 3 plus x minus f of 3 by f1 plus f of 2 minus x minus f of 2 overall power 1 by x. These 4 options you can see. What are the 4 options? You can observe that. Next you can come to the solution. By applying the 0, x is 0, what happened here? 1. F of 3 plus 0, f of 3 minus f of 3 means numerator becomes 1. Similarly denominator is also 1. It becomes 1 power 1 by 0 is infinity. It becomes 1 power infinity. As usual, one power infinity application is what? E power, you can write limit. What is the power here? 1 by x taken as into. As well as this one. From this we can subtract the 1. You know, already I given the tip. You have to refer once that one, you can understand easily. By taking the LCM, what happened? By taking the LCM, it becomes like this. You know, after simplification, becomes f of 3 plus x minus f of 3 minus f of 2 minus x plus f of 2 whole divided by x of 1 plus f of 2 minus x minus f of 2. By using this x is 0, this is again becomes 0 by 0. For 0 by 0, what you can do? You can use LH rule, L'Hospital rule. That all I did here. The derivative of f dash 3 plus x, derivative of f3, 0. No need to write f derivative, f of 2 minus x derivative, f dash of 2 minus x, already here minus is there. 2 minus x derivative, you know well, minus 1, 2 derivative 0, minus x derivative minus 1. Same way down, you can apply the UV rule. By applying the UV rule, it becomes like this. And x is 0. By using the x is 0, what becomes numerator? F dash of 3 plus 0, f3 minus of minus plus f2. F dash 3 plus f dash 2. By denominator as it is, we can write. But what is the given result? F dash 3 plus f dash 2 in the question. F dash 3 plus f dash 2 is a 0. In place of numerator is 0, 0 by some denominator is 0 is denominator. That becomes e power 0. E power 0 is nothing but 1. That's it. There will be few steps extra because in the question there will be more functions. That's why. Otherwise it is very easy. Application is same, but here only simple functions are there and more functions are there. Now come to the question number 5. Given that limit of tan of x plus pi by 4 overall power 1 by x extends to 0, simplification is asking, is given this m set 2015 is given. This is given that 2019. Here what is this position? We can observe that x is 0, 0 plus pi by 4, tan 45 is 1. 1 by 0 infinity means it is in the form of 1 power infinity. As usual, you can use the formula. What is that? E power of limit x tends to 0. Power of this is 1 by x into base tan of x plus pi by 4. We can subtract the 1, that is minus 1. Again, by the observation of this is x is 0, tan 45 1 minus 1 0. 0 by 0 means you can use the L'Hospital rule. Means derivative you can apply. Tan derivative secant square of x plus pi by 4. Derivative of x is 1. Then apply the limit. Limit x is 0. 0 plus pi by 4 means x square pi by 4. Sec square pi by 4 value root 2 whole square, because sec pi by 4 is root 2 whole square is there. E power root 2 whole square is means what happened? Root 2 whole square is what? 2. E square. That is which option? First option. Very simple. Just to what are the indeterminate forms we have to recognize, then we can use the tips and tricks. If you use the tips and tricks, definitely you can solve the question within few seconds. Now come to the next question. This is given that JEE 2016. From this question, what is given that? Let P is given that one of the limit 1 plus tan square root x whole power 1 by 2x as x tends to 0 plus. Don't need to worry this plus sign because root x is there. That's why given that positive. And then he is asking the log p value. He is asking what p is given. He is asking log p value. After simplification of this limit, then only can get the log p. First, what is the simplification? For this simplification, we can observe that tan 0, 0 means it is 1 power 1 by 0 infinity means it becomes 1 power infinity. It becomes 1 power infinity. What is a p here? Limit 1 plus tan square root x whole power 1 by 2x as x tends to 0 plus is given. Now he is asking log p. There is given that 4 options. Given that this is in JEE 2016. How it is, we can observe that after simplifying this is we can get the p, then you can get the log p also. For this one you can observe that 1 plus tan 0, 0 means becomes 1 power 1 by 0 means infinity. It is in the form of 1 power infinity. Then what you can do? Yes, for 1 power infinity power of limit, what is the power here? 1 by 2x taken as into base 1 plus tan square root x we can taken as with the minus 1. This is not there. With the minus 1, now what you can observe here? Minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. Tan square root x by 2 into this x we can write root x whole square to reduce into standard formula. Now we can take this as a standard formula. Tan root x by root x with square we can write. This value is 1, e power 1 by 2. P is e power 1 by 2. By applying the log on both sides, what is the log p value? 1 by 2. Is asking log p. That is the fourth option. Now come to the another question given is MSET 2016. Limit extends to infinity x square plus x plus 3 by x square minus x plus 2. Overall power x is given, is asking this value. Simplification is what? So here also we can observe that, limit at infinity case, these two powers are equal. Means what? A1 by B1 form. This is 1 by 1, 1 power infinity. 1 power infinity case, as usual, e power limit extends to infinity. What is the here extends to infinity is that we can take infinity. And what is the power? X you can take as into. What about base? X square plus x plus 3 by x square minus x plus 2. You can take the subtraction with the minus 1. That's it. Now simplification. By the simplification it becomes x square plus x plus 3 minus x square by taking the LCM minus or minus plus x with the minus 2. After calculation of this one, don't worry about this step. This becomes 2x square minus x by x square minus x plus 2. As usual, what is limit at infinity case? A1 by B1 formula here also. X square quotient is 2. Yes, that is A1. X square quotient is 1. That is 2 by 1 is 2. That means E square. That's it. E square means which option? Fourth option. We can observe the questions easily like that. There is no difficulty at all. We have to concentrate what are the main steps. Then it is mostly helpful to you. Now you can come to the next question. What is next question? Limit 1 minus x square power 1 by log of 1 minus x extends to 1 is given. Is asking this simplification. How it is. So first we can observe that what is the limit position. X tends to 1. Here 1 minus 1 0. Power 1 by log 1 minus 1 0. Log 0 is infinity. 1 by infinity is a 0. Means it becomes 0 power 0. Now we can use the 0 power 0 application very well. For the 0 power 0, what you have to do are given here. For 0 power 0, what you can do? Tell me. Yes. E power of limit 0 power 0. E power of limit extends, suppose whatever may be a or b, that one, into power g of x into log of base function f of x. That only can use here. What is a power function? 1 by log of 1 minus x is taken as into. For this we can apply the log. That is 1 minus, LOG log also we can write simply ln. Better practice ln only. That is very simple to write the log. Now log of 1 minus x square by log of 1 minus x. X tends to 1 here log 0. Infinity. Here also 0. Infinity. Infinity by infinity you can use LH rule. All those rules are given in part 1. You can refer that is. Then you can follow part 2 also. So in LH rule means derivative of numerator log of 1 minus x square derivative 1 by 1 minus x square of 1 minus x square derivative minus dx whole divided by what is the log of 1 minus x derivative? 1 by 1 minus x of 1 minus x derivative is minus 1. By the simplification it becomes e power of limit 2x by 1 plus x tends to 1. By apply the 1, x is placed 1, 2 by 2, 2 by 2 is 1 means e power 1 is e. That is the first option. Now come to the next question, 9th question. In this 9th question, you can look at sometimes what we'll do, we will do some data. In that data, we'll ask some unknown values. In this given data, what are unknown values is asking, we will see now. Limit, what is the given question here? Limit 1 plus a by x plus b by x square. Overall power to x as extends to infinity is given as e square. Here what you can observe that there will be a and b, some unknown values. You can find out them. What are those? We'll solve. We can get by the solving. Now here also you can observe that what is the position of this limit? X tends to infinity. 1 by infinity is 0. 0 plus 0, 1 means it is 1. 1 power 2 into infinity is infinity only. Means it is in the form of 1 power infinity. As usual, we can apply the formula for that. E power of limit x tends to infinity is there. Power 2x is there. And function 1 plus a by x plus b by x square, we can take it subtraction 1, that is minus 1 I have written. By the cancellation of this, it becomes like this, simplification. And what you can observe that here we got again x tends to infinity case. Here 2a x square by x square is there here. Here x square quotient is 2a, here x square quotient is 1. That means 2a by 1 2a, that is given as a square. E power 2a is equal to e square, means bases are equal, then powers must be equal, means 2a is equals to 2, it becomes a is equals to 1. Here a is equal to 1, there is no other data to find out the b value, means it's not depends upon b is any real number, means a is must be 1, b is any real number. That should be a second option. Simple way how to recognize what is given data, what we have to find out, how can you pick up the options, all these steps are important. Now come to the next question. This is given that MSET 2012. This is like this: limit x plus 6 by x plus 1 overall power x plus 4 as x tends to infinity. We have to simplify, we have to evaluate this limit. As usual, we can check it. Limit x tends to infinity means our numerator denominator are equal degrees, its quotient is 1, 1, 1 by 1 is 1, power infinity plus 4 is infinity only, means it is nothing but 1 for infinity case. 1 for infinity, what you can do as usual, limit e power, we can keep in e power of limit, what is there, x tends to infinity, what is the power here, x plus 4 into base x plus 6 by x plus 1, we can subtract the 1 as usual, at a given tip we can refer it. Now by the simplification, x plus 4, x plus 6 minus x, by taking the LCM, minus 1, plus x minus x gets cancelled, 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 of x plus 4 by x minus, again limited to infinity case here, x both degrees are same, x quotient is 5 here 1, 5 by 1 is 5, means e power 5, that is which option, third option. It is becomes e power 5. Once again I repeat this one because maybe you missed that here. What is given question, limit x plus 6 by x plus 1 as x tends to infinity, x tends to infinity, all power given as x plus 4. Now by the simplification we can observe that limit x tends to infinity, here 1 by 1 1, power infinity plus 4 is infinity, it is in the form of 1 power infinity, then use a e power of limit, what is there, x tends to infinity, what is the power function here, x plus 4, you can take as into, what is the base function, x plus 6 by x plus 1, we can take in subtraction with 1, that is minus 1. After simplification, you can get like this. Here what happened? In place of the x gets cancelled, 6 minus 1, 5 of x plus 4 divided by x minus 1. Again, limited to infinity case you got here. That is x quotient is 5. Here denominator x quotient is 1. That is a1 by b1 form. 5 by 1 is 5, means e power 5. That is the third option. These are the few questions I did which are given in previous mains and MSET also. Some questions I did which are depends upon the indeterminate forms, 0 by 0 indeterminate forms, infinity power 0, 0 power 0 and 1 power infinity especially. These are mostly helpful to you. So you can do the practice. If you have any doubts regarding this video, mail me with your WhatsApp number. I will send the solutions with a clear explanation. I think so. If this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe. At the same time, click on bell notification. Here I will end this video. In further video, I will meet with new topic. Till then, take care. Bye. Thank you.